You all notice, the Maverick is yet to comment on schoolboy football this season. And as a result, we're not getting the hype and the expectation and the excitement about neither the Manning Cup nor the DaCosta Cup so far. Want to see how the Maverick voice powerful? But seriously, though, compared to last season and the season before and the season before, we're not hearing about any super teams or clear-cut favorites. We hear KC, JC, Georges, Camperdown, St. Catherine High, huffing and puffing in the Manning Cup, while the usual suspects, States, Rossies, Clarendon, Cornwall, making noise in the DaCosta Cup. Absolutely, anybody can win. But even more than that though, schoolboy football appears to be falling into its proper place as an amateur schoolboy league. Thankfully, all the preaching and teaching have not gone in vain, and the local football stakeholders are finally getting it. That for super talented young Jamaican ballers with real ambitions of making it as professionals, 3 months of schoolboy kickabout cannot help them. At 19, 18, and even 17, they must be looking to play elite level big man football to properly learn and develop. I don't know if it's the Mount Pleasant effect or what, but there is definitely more talk this season about the Red Stripe Premier League than Manning Cup and the Costa Cup. And this is the conventional way it ought to be. So at long last, we seem to be getting our football priorities right. And people are finally seeing the light. No, you are not a man.